Hello guys and welcome back to Think Smallwood HD edition. So we are back into our new episode. If you remember, we were here in Windmere where we were about to find the reason why they are into famine and why they are a lack of food, and we also find a worshipping area over here where there were many ducks and a central statue of a duck which they kind of praying or kind of following as a god. So what my idea today is to we will just look around this Windmere area and gather some information of the local locality and what all treasures and uh, that we have. So but I just came across this bonka which is just hiding away and I need to kill him. It's the same situation. I think this time okay, he's just following me now. He should be down. Okay, I got hit. Oh damn it. Wait, let it be. And we have this seems scary. Even this seems scary. It's a single one. I think we can take the single one, but let's look around first and let me try with a bow maybe. Let me try it from behind this. Okay, I have an action point. Okay, so we got an action portion from there. I didn't look into it clearly, and also there's a pieces of gold lying there. So I found one more, one more, one more. Yeah, I got 3 golds, and so I mean we are a bit strong as compared to Kansar, where we just saved the whole city of Kansar from cast attack. Okay, I just missed that. But this is new area, and there was just one slayer over there, and there are many slayer over here, and I think it seems to be quick enough to hit. Okay, I just got a hit from him. I'm very low on health. I think I'll look into him later. Let's just roam around the area and just gather some information about this area. There's an apple tree which we used to look when we were in terrace and no, I can't eat the apple. Okay, so and there are pigs. I know we are pig farmer, so you know what we'll do. I mean, we are turning into a warrior, but the roots are still there. So let's try something else. And so I think this is enough for south of it, and west of it is almost empty. So let's go north. We have already looked into the northern area of this Windmere, and this was the bridge where we came from. And you know, this trees can be burned, right? So they might be hiding a secret location like we had in terrace, and okay, so I can also enter from here. So this seems something promising maybe. Am I going right? I'm not. I think it's behind the tree. Yes, it is. So this is the first time that we have entered such kind of area. I can burn this. Maybe these are hiding something. Nothing here. Okay. Your magic is. What did you say? Your magic and tree. Okay, against me. Ha ha ha. So that's good. Development by developers. That's kind of a pun intended by developers. So that is something good because we know you will be trying to hit the trees with this magic and trying to burn them, and so eventually they gave one invincible tree which couldn't be hit from a magic, could not be burned from fireball. I mean, the whole situation of having a fireball to burn the trees was something which we learned when we were in the village. I just forgot his native village, and so this is good, something very nice. I like that. I don't remember I did this last time. Maybe it might be an addition to it, or maybe it was there and I don't remember. No, neither the rain spell works on it. So let's get out of here and let's proceed further. So we have looked into the south, we have looked into the west, and nothing here. And also this area, we will come down here when we need to grind, and till then I think let's continue from here where we left. So if you remember these ducks, let me save. Okay, there's a block over there. Okay, a barrel which has a health point section. Yeah, that is good. So maximum health has increased, and now let's save it. It's a good time to save. So from here we will inquire the people or the villagers. Okay, one found one gold. Somehow this area is having a lot of gold just thrown around, and they don't have. Okay, this seems to be the only house there that they let me in, other than the lady who tried to hit me with a fireball. How's the family doing? We don't have. Okay, have you doing? Seems to be in depression. Yes, it is. We give it lot to the duck. Does the guy get back to you? No. So far we have learned that everything that they have, the food and the gold, they are just giving it to the duck, the statue duck, and they ask about the food. Do you get eat? No much lately. Mommy says we can't eat that much because of the duck. Of course, there is a reason not to like the duck, because you're not getting your part of nutrition, and you're just throwing it away to the duck. So there's this kind of obsession that this village has regarding the ducks, and they kind of very holy to them, and they are actually praying to them. Exactly. I mean, the whole village is starving with food, and they are just throwing away the food, or not. I would not say throw, but they are giving their food as a charity to the ducks. So I think we have learned what is need to do. So for the viewers over here, I'll let you know what the thing is. The duck area that you see, you have to be very let me just talk to her. What's with all with the ducks? Ducks are friends and keeping. Okay, yeah, okay. The video statement that I heard today, that will be kind to the ducks in the town. Why should you? I've been hitting the ducks all around the town. I mean, I've been hitting them everywhere. So you can sell your longsword over here. I don't think I need to sell it right now, but let me tell you. So what we will do is to save these people, as we are savior. To save these people, we have to find a bomb. Don't worry, we don't have to blast the whole place, but to enter, if you see that person, the guard didn't let me enter the worshipping area, believing that the King News issue 46. Okay, I think this is the same new notification that we had, so nothing has changed. And so the bomb will be used to blast one of the rocks which is surrounding the worshipping area, and this will let me have a passage to enter, and with that we will be able to So killing the ducks here is different. I mean, no, it's part of the story, part of the game, but like the way you used to kill the ducks with 2 hits over there in the different areas. Okay, there's one more. I think there's a merchant. At least I got a health point. And if you see, everyone has a duck. This place you ask, can you tell what is? Okay, this is a blistering peat weapons shop. Okay, sharpen's blade. So let me see what you have. So long sword. Okay, bomb I will buy, and I'll aim for a claw sword, which is 2000 gold coins. I don't have this much, but I will be grinding, and I'll be buying a claw sword from him, because this is the upgrade to what I have right now. So I'll be taking a bomb from him, and this doesn't break. Okay, somehow the smaller one breaks and the bigger ones don't. So as I said, the bomb I will take, and I'll blast one of the rocks in the area, and by doing this, I'll have a passage to enter. Let me see if there is a health potion over here. Okay. Fur. He sells fur. I don't think I require fur. It's not winters now. Winter has been coming and winter has gone now. Game of Thrones is over, so we don't require fur. Okay, so the same story. I mean, the stress of not eating, and people are still following that they are eating less and they're just giving more to the ducks. And so this person has an alternative for it. He's going for soups and herbs rather than eating meat from duck. But what exactly do you sell? Hides and fur that I don't require. So as I said, this is what we have in this area. So it's a hostile environment right now. No one is welcoming that way, but yes, I know what to do now. So I'll be not killing, but I'll be roasting those ducks. Sounds very weird, but yes, it is. So what I will do is, the way, I mean, we have used to kill the ducks. I don't know, it is the friction of the as the game says, the friction of the blade is so hot that the ducks will turn into a roasted duck. So let's place this. If you see this one with a mark, kind of piercing mark on the rock, which says that it will be easy to blast. So now I have a passage to go. Okay, I just got it some hit. Let it be. So I start. I mean, for the viewers who are, this is a statutory warning to you. It would be bloodshed over here, but mind you. So if you see, when I'm hitting them again, okay, I got a magic potion, and there was one more chest as well. So if you see that when I'm hitting them twice, they turn into roasted duck. They turn into food basically. As the game said, it is the friction of the sword which is making that hot iron that is making the roasted duck. But yes, it is. You have to kill them all and turn them into the roasted duck. I mean, it seems filthy, and some might say that I'm making a big mistake by killing what they worship, killing their god. But that's the truth is, I mean, you have to do it this way. The first time when I played, I had a lot of problems doing it. I didn't realize how to break in. It was hard, but I mean, at those time we didn't even had walkthroughs or gameplays videos somewhere, so it was very hard. I tried each and every rock, hitting each and every rock. and somehow I. So this is it. This is okay. What the fuck you meant? Okay, sorry for my cussing. Oh. So they're calling the guard. I mean, this could turn bad, but I know the story. So what happened? Your god has been killed, dear. Boss, help, exactly. The guy killed the blessed fowl. Yeah, I've killed the blessed bird. Curses on me. I must avenge the goddess Kelly. So the daughter start eating the roasted duck, and if you realize, sorry, daughter is eating our god. I guess we have to kill her too. No, May won't love that. Okay, so they realize the one piece won't hurt, and it tastes good. Great. Of course, I mixed it. The sword had some spices and sauces, so I applied some barbecue sauce on it, and I just used the friction of the hot iron to make some good roasted duck for everyone. So now from pig farmer we also turned into a chef. So that's it. I mean, you learn how it is done. So now, bye girl. So now you learn that this is how it is to be done, and so this worshipping area, which was now which you was supposed to be worshipped for ducks, is now going to turn to Dink Smallwood worship area. I mean, some people don't change, so they still worship someone, but at least they won't be starving now because they have something to eat. They might worship Dink Smallwood, but so it's kind of a heroic. I'll keep this. I need a screenshot of it. I'll use that as a thumbnail. This is something good for thumbnail. Promoting Dink Smallwood. The developers have a good sense of humor here as well. So that's it. I think we need to save here, and we are done over here. We have saved the kingdom. Sorry, not kingdom, the village, and so this is it. I think we haven't gone to this area. So the Windmere famine is now gone. We will have a new notification to see for us soon, and fish. I don't think I can use a bow and arrow for fish. Maybe not. I never tried it, but if you know, then let me know if you can hit the fish. I know I can hit the ducks, so probably not the fish. Okay, so the southern area of the beach area of this location has one secret, which I will reveal you. So I'll probably just cut down there, and then rest the other part. I'll just move on there. I mean, I'll just cut down this video of traveling there. Alright, back here. If you see this south area, this beach, there's a marking over here. There's shells which will actually lead you. I mean, you are walking on the water, I know, but this is a marking if you want. This is a secret area. This is beyond the map. This is a question mark on the map. Let me show you. If you see at the bottom here, bottom right, the question mark. This is a beach area, which is kind of a hidden. I don't know, but so this is one of the first area on the map which was marked as a question mark, and this is a new location, which is I think a duck world. So you won't find Donald Duck or Scrooge McDuck over here, Louis Dewey over here. But yeah, this is a Duck World. That was Duckworth, I don't remember. So these giant ducks, hi there, welcome. Okay. So playing with me, yes, this is good. If I remember, this is a betting game. I mean, not biting, but betting game. You can place your bets. I already have very less amount, so I'll start with some. So let's bet around 50. Let's place our first bet. Bet on duck one. Okay, let's fight. And we won. Yeah. So congratulations to me. I won 50. That's won what I placed. Let's do it once more. I know it's a bloody game, but that's how it is done. So let's place it on our fighter, and I think we lost it. Okay, last try. Let's do it once again. Otherwise, we don't have that much gold with us. So I'll again go for duck one. Hopefully, I win back what I had, and I lose. So hard luck. I just I know this is random, and I just won it first time, and I lose it too. So I think let it go. So this is all that we have in this area, but there's one more extension to this area, the eastern part of it, where I think we have some roaches and the bonkas and leeches, the slayer as well, which we can fight. And if you know, there was some secret location that I showed you in the first episode, or maybe the second episode, where the gold was lying just on the ground, and there were some magic potions and action potion over there, which we didn't have. So the area where we found the magic boots, we still have to buy those magic boots. But so nothing great about this thing. I mean, they are saying great, but nothing great. So this is a separate area of ducks where ducks live. So if you see this one on the right, this is the area. We will go there. I don't think I have that much of attack. I just have 20 attack right now, and defense of 8. So I'll aim to buy that claw sword. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to grind some bit and get about 2000 gold coins, which is required for the claw sword. And that claw sword is something which is having good attack, better attack than this. Is an upgrade to this particular sword, that long sword that I have right now. So this is a house over here. Let's see. Okay, no health potion. Okay, there was one. So let's do this one as well. Now prison break. Okay, there's a person. Let's talk to him. I'm working on the fine most. Okay, so he's making a bow, crossbow rather, which he hasn't yet. So I don't remember buying this crossbow from him. I'm not even sure if it is in picture, but if there is, then I will come back here to buy this bow. And nothing here. Let's go more right. So we have a roach over there, we have a fast moving roach over here. He might have some gold. And okay, sometimes they tend to defend themselves. Oh shit, I have to do it all over again. This is the bad part of this thing, that they don't retain their damages, and you have to do it all over again. Sorry, I had to take a phone call in between. So resuming my work over here, I mean, I just saved here. I found a save machine and just came back after the phone call, and this is where we go. So as I told you, we will be going to the location where we had this gold coins, stash of gold coins, just laying on the road with a heap of gold coins. And there were some magic potions, or maybe it was like specific to action, maybe attack and defense, and magic potion maybe. So they can be hit from far, right? Yeah, you can. Okay, I lost the track. And now they are the slower one, the roaches, centipedes, roaches, whatever you call them. I used to call them centipedes, now I call them roaches. They look like roaches. I mean, they even look like having 100 feet, like the centipedes. Next, let's see here, and on this island, across the bridge. This rain spell would do good if I have it right. Yeah, we have some blue leeches. That is not good. One should come. Not coming here. I should throw one more. If they move on the straight path, then they will be caught in the acid rain. If they are following me, like this one, yes, it got two. One just escaped from here. I think we can go down from the sword. Yep. And life potion. Last one here. I should probably come here when I have the claw sword, because that would increase my attack and I would be easily hitting them. At least 10 more attack, would be like 30. So that's good that they are fighting again. I mean, these grey one are just so impulsive. They have this impulse of fighting, just moving around, waving their damn leg, not leg but tail. They just go around waving their tail just to hit anyone in that path. It was easy that it got hit one. So it was one hit kill from me. I mean, it was already done by fighting each other. But okay, so these are slayers. Damn it, I wasted the potion. I think I should come back here. I should better come back here with the claw sword, and that way I'll have more attack. At least I will not be dependent on the acid rain, and I can use sword as well. I mean, when the enemy is near to me while the acid rain is getting refilled, I should be able to kind of attack them by my sword. And if the attack is good, then I won't even require the spell. So just try. Now I think the attack by 20 is at least giving me kind of 2 or 3 hits to kill them. And if I'm making a use of clubbing these two together, that is magic and attack, then I think it is good. The fire spell, I mean the fireball, is not that much of importance right now, because it doesn't hurt much. But as the magic has increased, the acid rain has started showing its effect. It's attacking more, if you see. And the idea is to get, okay, this time it got lost. Idea is to get them in path of that acid rain. Just that wrong button actually. Let's use the fireball against them. Okay, that's one good. So grinding is good. I think I should be grinding more, at least till 2000 gold coins, and this way I'll come back here once I have 2000 gold coins and I have a close sword. I'll come back here. So let's cut back from here. I think we better move to the area where we have enough enemies to kill. So I'll grind this windmill area. So I just saved after grinding, and I also made around 2000 gold coins here. And good point is that now I have one more level, and probably I'm 11 on the magic points, if you see. And with that I'm also near to getting level 8. So 2000 gold coins is what the cost of this sword is, and once I equip it you will see the difference. So right now the attack is like 20, and 6 is what the long sword has, so it will give me around okay, I don't need to buy anything else. Actually, the wrong button, I wanted to open this. So 20 is what we have with long sword. Without it is it 16. So 4 is what the long sword has, and if I equip this it becomes 29. So that's good. I think that means it is 13 of attack, and I mean 13 is 16 I already have with me. 16 plus 13 is 29. I was assuming 30, but that's good. I mean 29 is good. And also when I have around level 8 coming up very soon. Okay, so back here I told you I will be coming with the claw sword, and the idea was to see, if you see attack now I can hit them with one sword hit. So it has improved. I'm hitting like 26, 27 now. (27, 22). It depends how precise you hit. 28. This was good. 22, 26. So you see how much it has improved now. So with the use of magic potion and the I can use wrong direction. Maybe let's use the sword. So getting them by one hit. If even if they are stick together, then I think one hit would probably hit double. 2 or roaches or 3 roaches at one time. It didn't get past the bridge. So I'm able to hit the blue roaches now easily. 21, 15. Distance is the key. If I'm making it too far, then it was not good. And the fourth one is also down. See, using these two portions together, I think this is making a trick. And our waving Fred, impulsive friend, they will just hit around anyone, whoever there is. So he's okay. I thought he was stuck. Ah, damn it! Wrong timing. Okay, he's near me now. That's good. I thought it would take time, but no. So I have a full heart and I have gold. So full heart will refill 100% health. That's good. So we left it here last time, if you remember, and I also bought some elixir from. I went to Kensar. Meanwhile, I'm in while grinding. Kensar and Windmere both had an Terrace. I mean, I bought some elixir from there, and I grinded in Kensar and Windmere. And I have a level increase, so let's increase the attack. I wanted it 30. I missed it last time. So making past level 8 is to have 6400 of, as I told you. So here is that area. If you see, we have a pile of gold coins lying there, made about 300 400 maybe, and this is the mega point which raises all. So 31 7 and 12 now. This one is attack, I suppose, or defense, magic, and attack, and health increase as well. So I think that's it. We will meet you back in Winmere. After doing too much, having too much, so just drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet you next soon. Bye bye.